Low fuel icon, ano yung possible issue at ano yung pwede nyong gawin? Fuel experience, meron naman kayong gas pero nakailaw yung low fuel. Ano yung possible issue? Well, there's two possible issue. Number one, pwedeng yung inyong filter ay palitan na. Okay? Number two, pwedeng may water yung inyong fuel line. So I recommend, if you will experience this kind of scenario, dali nyo na kagad sa pinakamalapit na repair shop ninyo and yun, pa-check ninyo. There's a possibility na palitan lang naman yan ng filter or kailangan lang naman linisin yung inyong fuel line, no? So yun lang naman yung gagawin dyan. Then after that, i-reset lang naman yan. Ako, sa amin nangyari din yan way back din, ano, yung from from Bicol going to Manila, then nagpagas ako, nagpapultang ako, then all of a sudden umilaw yung low fuel icon. So wala namang problema sa takbo, normal naman yung takbo ng aming van. So ang ginawa lang muna namin is nireset muna namin.